Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Janelle. Thank you for tuning in. Now my hair has zero product in it. I already cleansed with Uniqurl shampoo, but I am styling with their 3-in-1 styler and hair oil. Before I begin styling my hair, can we just appreciate how long my hair is getting? I love it. Okay, so if you guys know me or if you're new, I always like to start by wetting my hair first. My hair thrives on water and it just needs to be wet before I add any product in it. It's important to always make sure you have zero tangles. Did you see that creamy goodness? I already applied it to this section of my hair, and this is what 3 twists look like. I'm going to show you how I twist my hair in this clip right here. If you have not tried Uniqurl, I highly recommend it. Not only does this product give you shine, but it gives you moisture. Now my hair is extremely dry and it definitely needs moisturizing products in it. So this is always a great and quick grab for me. Oh, and let me tell you something, if you don't already know, this product gave me a 9-day twist out frizz free. So I definitely love it. And if you guys see, I am not focusing on parting my hair perfectly just because eventually I will take my twist down. But I do plan on leaving this style in for a week before I take it out, just because it's a bomb protective style. So for the front of my hair, I split it at an angle and I'm braiding the sides up, and as you guys can see, I twisted the bottom of the braids. For this section, of course, I'm going to apply product and I'm going to make sure that all of my hair is coated with it. But let me remind you, you do not need a lot because a little goes a long way. Now all I'm doing is just passing the wide tooth comb through the section to make sure that the product is evenly distributed before I add any more twists. This is how I'm parting my hair in the entire section. Now some sections have 1 twist, as you guys will see. Other sections have 2 twists. And I think the last few sections I actually split into 3 parts with 2 strand twists in it, if that makes sense. But you guys will actually see it, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Now this is what my hair looks like. It is finally complete, but not before I add my hair oil. Now sometimes I add the oil to the palm of my hand with some product in it and I mix it in there, but this time I'm actually just running it through my twist and making sure that my hair is nicely coated. The oil is very light, which is great. And of course, I cannot finish this style without laying down my edges. If you don't like to lay down your edges, that's okay, but it's just a personal preference of mine. Like I said, this is a great protective style. You can definitely add some hair thread to your hair, or you can add some cuffs. This is day 3 hair. My hair is dry, and look at all the shrinkage. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.